Bandase hlala phansi ke sanhlala phansi iwethu nivilele kaJubJub uJubJub bandase kuthiwa okukhumbula ezitoxin okukhumbula eziboys bandase so waqonda mama kakhethi act ezamsapha mamelani ke bandase into yenzekayo so icherry kaJubJub iyabiza Uber ke izi Uber caba le cherry kaJubJub ibizwa nguJubJub apho akhoyo uJubJub ayinyani bizi Uber nyani Uber ifike angene ugeli hayi molo bhutinolo hayi gone. After bese gone kanje bafike ku location xa befika ku location bandase bafika uJubJub upha ke nyani ngiqonda uthiwa uJubJub bandase uze elipheke kule Uber ulipheke bandase wafika akayijonganga noyijonga icherry yakhe ephumayo emotweni kwathini wanqala straight ku Uber driver wavula umnyango wathi phuma nguwe lo ntyele cherry yam kwathini Uber driver ulost nso mana tyele cherry yakho mna but ndikwazela phi ntoni ngiyajola 99 like what's going on kwa uJubJub bandase wabemthatha lo bhuti ke ngoku asithi ngene emotweni umngenise ke ucaba kukho imoto ekhoyo kwapha kulandaba kuyo ngene emotweni amngenise kule moto lo bhuti uselost bandase usacinga fansi ba hayi noba zicherry zakhe yabo ngamacherry wakhe ambizela uyajola 99 kwa wabonela valo loba ube nguJonas xa unguJonas bandase ubenela valo mos so unelavalo into ngoba ndangenso ezimotweni intoni le nguyajola 99 uzokothuka ke ngokulo bhuti xa ukhutshwa umpu noma khutshwa umkhone kati yaqonda athi hawo cherry yam awubeka apha bantwana yabona into ngathi yakurhwitsha akubeka entanyeni into ngoba cherry yam kwathini lo bhuti is like bhutiza icherry yakho ndiyazi noyazi bengiqala uyibona namhlanje ndimnike i-right namhlanje bengiqala umbona andimazi nomazi xa uJubJub waphuma emotweni athi za wadubula uJubJub ungadubule phezulu bandase yeyi lo bhuti wazisonga phansi waphinda kwathiwa ngene emotweni waphinda wangena emotweni lo bhuti akazazi noba mayikenze intoni because uyazibona ngoku u-caught up kuyo yonke lento eyenzekayo between uJubJub necherry yakhe yaqonda hayi after that kwacaba uyabona nayo uJubJub into ngoba naye lo mfana ingathi lost ingathi akayazi bakwenzeka ntoni and ingathi akayazi kwa icherry yam le because necherry yakhe ke ibhizi wena miyeke lo bhuti akandazi yaqonda wayekwa ke ngaloo ndlela lo bhuti wabuyela emotweni yakhe uthe wongena emotweni yakhe bantase wafaka ku GPS wathi nearest police station xa efika police station wathi hey bantase gqobo experience enye trauma engakwazi no explain kuba kusithiwa bantase engcangcazele senjinji wabeyibalisa into nokuba hayibo ndithe xa ndifika kaloku ku location ndadibana nobhuti thize endla ngombone eTV kanjena kanje hayi nyana amapolisa athi hayi siyamazi lowo kaloku wayene space apha inoba ufuna uphinda abuye nyana amapolisa ayomlanda uGayi amapolisa xa emlanda uGayi wathiwa makhwenkwe kwathiwa Khosi Mampuru so ke ukuza appearisha elentozini ngomso eGermiston Magistrates Court ngomso I'm like uJubJub umthase i-charges ingathi kuthiwa yilentos yi-kidnapping nantoni na defeating the ends of justice and then by assault no firing ntontoni yabo ufayirisha lampunje leka Julius Malema yabo ufayirisha umpunje in a public space yaqonda so uthathelwe lonto ke bantase so sizayilandela ke naleyo ba ineqala eyangakulo bantase but I'm just updating you makudanyaze eklasini bethu nani makudanyaze umuntu makabonakala ukubana uyafuna ukuba ku dean's list like followish man followish.
As I'm chilling at home, I see the breaking news. It said that JubJub has been arrested, and the charges include kidnapping, defeating the ends of justice, and discharging of a firearm in public. We're not going to say much until we hear his side of the story. But like I said, the higher we go in life, the more we're expected to carry ourselves with caution because anything can happen. But like I said, we just have to hear his side of the story because it is said that the altercation happened between him and an e-hailing driver. I will continue to encourage all the guys in my generation that we have to get to the end. We have to fulfill our purposes and get to the end. Let's not get distracted. Remember, they wrote us off. Some of us who are from Soweto. There's someone who said, we're not going to make it. Someone said, based on the lives we're living in the hood, we shouldn't be here by now. But we are here. So may we go back into what God called us for. May we glorify God with our lives, that those who wrote us off become shocked as to, we thought it was over with this boy, but hey, here he is today, up and kicking, doing things we never thought he would do. So when I see dudes like Jupe, I see myself, and we gotta make it out, man. When we talk to some of the ladies who raised us up, some of the ladies around our neighborhoods, they literally said they didn't think we would be alive by this time, based on how hectic our lives are, you know. So guys in my generation, especially those who grew up around Johannesburg, Soweto, those in the East as well, Butembisa and stuff, all of those guys, I'm talking to those guys, and I'm saying, gents, let's make it out. Let's be men who glorify God. Let's change the narrative. Let's change the story. Let's change the script. Whatever that was written about us, somewhere, let's change the script. Yes, challenges are going to be there to try take you out, but we got to fight and reach the end where we get to heaven and Jesus says, well done, thou faithful servant.
We can confirm that we have arrested a 45-year-old male suspect on 3 charges. The first one being that of discharging of a firearm in a municipal area. The second charge being that of kidnapping, and the third being that of defeating the ends of justice. According to a preliminary investigation by the police, there was an altercation between him and an Uber driver, which led to this particular suspect firing a shot in the municipal area. We can confirm that our ballistics experts and our detectives are on the ground where they are investigating this particular incident. The suspect has been arrested and he will appear before the Germiston Magistrate Court on Monday morning, where he will face the 3 charges, and I think further details on this particular case will then be elaborated further in court.
Jupe has been arrested. He's said to be in court today due to the fact that he had a little bit of a skirmish with an e-hailing driver who had brought a lady friend to his residence. Police alleged that he had forced the driver into his vehicle, prevented him from leaving, and then discharged his Tunya, Sahaya. I don't know his languages. And he's facing charges of kidnapping, unlawful discharging of Estonia, and defeating the ends of justice. Because the e-hailing driver, as soon as it happened, he just went to the police station because luckily he was unharmed. When he went to the station, he said, ever since I was playing the cocktail, so yeah, got it, my daughter. It is more of is. If you have a problem with your lady, musukushaya insizwa vese. Kuma notate umtshela isiqedile. Hayi uthi manje sisesiyadubulana ngumuntu esifazane. Babangaka abananqa vese. Hawu. Maka vese. No snitching doesn't work in South Africa. Mawuganga nje vese ya SAPS ebafu. Shengafu.
We Gotwa, is this real or Madrid? Jupe has been arrested for defeating the ends of justice, kidnapping, and unlawful discharge of firearm. Now there's reports that there might be attempted murder. I don't know about that. Now, of course, you want the story. I don't know if this is official or not, but everyone is saying the same thing, including the spokesperson of the SAPS. So the story is that it is alleged that at approximately 7:30 in the morning today, the e-hailing driver, who is the one that opened the case against Jupe, the e-hailing driver had transported a female passenger, who is Jupe's partner, to a residence in Edenvale, right? When he was confronted by the suspect, Jupe, who accused him of being involved in a romantic relationship with his girlfriend. Uyajola 99. Uyajola 99. Continuing, the suspect allegedly forced the e-hailing driver into his vehicle. Heban. I don't know whose vehicle, Jub's vehicle, or I think it's Jub's vehicle, and then prevented him from leaving. That is kidnapping. Now, during the incident, the suspect reportedly discharged a firearm in the direction of the driver. That it is attempted murder. Anyways, the e-hailing driver managed to escape. How did he escape? He escaped, he opened a case, and all of a sudden, this is real. Or is it Madrid? Anyway, Jub is going to be appearing in court tomorrow. So, looking forward to that.
South Africans, news has broken that Jub has been arrested following allegations involving an e-hailing driver. Reports indicate that he is facing charges including kidnapping, defeating the ends of justice, and the alleged discharge of a firearm in public. Authorities claim the incident stemmed from a dispute after suspicions that the driver was involved with his girlfriend. But now, let me say this, I do not celebrate the downfall of another man. Personally, I do not. Anyone can find themselves in a difficult situation overnight. And nobody wakes up expecting to be arrested, no one. But sometimes people make decisions in the heat of the moment. And those decisions can have serious consequences. But however, the law is the law, and its word is final, its verdict is final. And if allegations are made, the legal process must take its course. But at this stage, these remain allegations for me. And the courts will determine what truly happened. But going forward, the case will proceed through the legal systems where evidence will be presented and both sides will have an opportunity to be heard. But until then, it's important not to rush to conclusions. Let justice do its work and let the facts speak for themselves. But I would appreciate it a lot if you can have a conversation. Please leave us a comment and what do you really think about this case? Leave us a comment, let us just start a conversation.